Assalamu alaikum dear students, I hope everybody is fine. I am Dr. Lewis and you are watching YouTube channel ALEVELCAMS. In this question we are given a quartic polynomial with the roots alpha, beta, gamma and delta. We have to find the value of this four relation. So student, this is nothing but the sum of the root. So you know sum of the root is minus b over a, which is minus 4. For the second part we have to find the sum of square of the roots. Means we have to find this, and it can be written as sum of the roots minus 2 times sum of the product of two roots. So you can write and product of two roots, you have four roots, you have to make combination of the two product of the two. So you have total 6 possibilities. Means there are 4 total roots and you have to choose 2. So the possibilities, how many combination you can make, they are 6. So let me make it alpha beta, alpha gamma and alpha delta. Beta gamma, beta delta and gamma delta. These are 6 possible combination. So the value of this is minus 4 square. Minus 2 times product of root is 2, means 16 minus 4 is 12. The value of product of sum is 12. Now we have to find the sum of the reciprocal of the roots. So student, let's say we have the product of 3 roots which is equal to 4 and this is equal to 4. Also product of all root is 1. So student, divide it by the product of all root. The value of the product of all root is 1 and these 3 are balanced. We have 4. So the sum of the reciprocal of roots is 4. Now we solve its fourth part. Student, you can see from here, if we multiply by alpha and divided by alpha, you will get alpha square over the product of all roots, means we can use this one. So for the fourth part we have alpha square, beta square, gamma square, delta square is 12 divided by the product of all root. Product of all root is 1. So balance this one, you will have which is nothing but 12 by 1, which is 12. So it means the value of it is 12. Student, in this part we have to substitute y equal to x plus 1 and have to find the quartic equation in y. So and also have to solve this equation and hence give this and hence have to find the root for the given quartic polynomial in x. So you have y equal x plus 1. So x can be written as y minus 1. Substitute in 1. Let's say this is 1. What you will get? y4 has the only coefficient 1, y cube minus 4, 4 for y square, 6 minus 12, 2 for y minus 4 plus 12 minus 4 minus 4, and the constant term 1 minus 4, 2 and 1. 2, 1 and plus 4. You have y4 0, 4y square, and it is 0. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 plus 4 you have. So you can write it as y2 minus 2 square equal to 0, because it is a completing square. Y square is equal to 2 repeating root. So you can write here y equal plus minus square root 2 means 2 roots with square root 2 and 2 root are the minus square root 2. It has 4 root but both roots are repeating. So the distinct root are plus minus square root 2. So student, x can be written as plus minus square root 2 minus 1. So the 2 repeating root are, and other 2 repeating root are these. These are the roots of the given equation, and these are the 2 distinct but 4 repeating of the given polynomial in y. So your question is complete. So if you have any problem in understanding, you can contact on our WhatsApp number. See you again. Allah.